I just got started.
Really?
What you think one round can do? Why? Me nah go compromise. Me want feel how your head feel between my thighs. Me want looking at your dreamy eyes when you a chew on me pum pum like French fries.
Fine.
Pat to your forehead. Show me what your tongue can do. If you not have it in a waist, you better have it in a face. Bright enough for you, look out for shine you. And you don't want tears. You have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi.